Well, hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. My name is Mo and today in this video we're going to be talking about 10 high quality stocks that have been paying dividend and increasing it for over 20 years and are considered to be either undervalued or reasonably valued at this time. Without any further ado, let's get into it. The first company for us to take a look at is Magellan Midstream Partners with ticker symbol MMP. It's an energy sector company with a $10.4 billion in market cap, making it a large cap sized company. Dividend yield for Magellan Midstream Partners is at 8.44%. It has a price to earnings ratio of 9.4, which is below its own 5-year average, and has a dividend safety score of 61, making it a safe dividend payer. As indicated, here MNP is showing more than 20 years, in fact, exactly 20 years of dividend growth streak, and it does pay its dividend quarterly in the months of February, May, August, and November. Our second pick is another energy sector company, Enterprise Products Partners, ticker symbol EPD. It has a dividend safety score of 65, making it a safe dividend payer. And the company has been paying and increasing its dividend for 23 years straight. The payment frequency for this company is on quarterly basis for its dividend, and it's paid in the months of February, May, August, and November. Enterprise Products Partners has a market cap of $55.6 billion, making it a large cap size company. Dividend score is 65 as indicated, and the dividend yield is at 7.39% annually. The price to earnings ratio for Enterprise Products Partners is at 8.1, and again, which is below 5-year average of the same company. Next on our list, we have IBM, International Business Machine. It's an information technology sector company with $113 billion in market cap, making it a mega cap sized company. The dividend yield here is at 5.20%. The price to earnings ratio is at 12.6, which is above 5-year average of IBM. The dividend safety score for IBM is at 65, making it a safe dividend payer. IBM has increased its dividend year after year for the past 26 years, and it does pay its dividend quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. On the fourth spot, we have another energy sector company. This one is TC Energy, available with ticker symbol TRP in US dollars. It is also available in Canadian dollars as it's a Canadian company. With a market cap of $54.8 billion, making it a large cap size company. The dividend annually for TC Energy is at 5.08%, and the company has a price to earnings ratio of 10.5, which is above 5-year average for its own company. The dividend safety score is at 61, making the safe dividend payer, and the company has been paying and increasing its dividend uninterrupted for the past 21 years. The dividend for TC Energy is paid on a quarterly basis in the months of January, April, July, and October. On the fifth spot, we have National Retail Properties. It's a real estate sector company with ticker symbol NNN. With a market cap of $7.5 billion, making it a mid-cap size company, National Retail Properties has been increasing its dividend uninterrupted for the past 32 years. With a dividend safety score of 70, National Retail Properties is showing a price to earnings ratio of 14, which is considered below 5-year average. It's worth mentioning that the quarterly dividends for National Retail Properties is paid in the months of February, May, August, and November. On the sixth spot, we have Leggett and Platt. It has a market cap of $4.89 billion, making it a mid-cap size company with an annualized dividend of 4.54%. The price to earnings ratio for Leggett and Platt is at 13.1, which is below its own 5-year average. Dividend safety score is at 70, making the safe dividend payer. And what's very impressive about Leggett and Platt is that it's been increasing its dividend uninterrupted for the past 50 years, making it a Dividend King company. The payment frequency for Leggett and Platt is on a quarterly basis in terms of its dividend, paid in the months of January, April, July, and October. On the seventh spot, we have Realty Income, ticker symbol O, another real estate sector business with a market cap of $38.4 billion. Dividend yield for Realty Income is at 4.54%, and it has a price to earnings ratio of 16.6, which is below 5-year average for Realty Income. Dividend safety score here is at 70, making it a safe dividend payer, and Realty Income, it does pay its dividends on a monthly basis. It is worthwhile mentioning that Realty Income has continued to increase its dividend year after year for the past 27 years. On the eighth spot, we have another energy company. This one is called Canadian Natural with ticker symbol CNQ. With a market cap of $69.5 billion, Canadian Natural is considered to be a large cap size company, and it has a dividend yield of 4.10%. The price to earnings ratio for Canadian Natural is at 10.1, which is below its own 5-year average. And the dividend safety score is at 70, making it a safe dividend payer. Canadian Natural has increased its dividend payments uninterrupted for the past 20 years, and it does pay its dividend quarterly in the months of January, April, July, and October. On the ninth spot, we have 3M with $83 billion in market cap, making it a large cap size company. 3M has a dividend yield of 4.07% and a price to earnings ratio of 14.1, which is below its own 5-year average. Dividend safety score for 3M is at 75, making it a safe dividend payer. And it's remarkable that 3M has been increasing its dividend year after year for the past 63 years. Just incredible. Definitely making it another Dividend King stock. The dividends for 3M are paid on a quarterly basis in the months of March, June, September, and December. And lastly, on the 10th spot, we have Franklin Resources. It's a financials sector company with ticker symbol BEN. Franklin Resources has $13.9 billion in market cap, making it a large cap size business with a dividend yield of 4.06%. The price to earnings ratio is at 7.7, which is below its own 5-year average, and the dividend safety score is at 70, making it a safe dividend payer. The dividend growth streak for Franklin Resources is showing to be at 41 years, suggesting that Franklin Resources has increased its dividend year after year for 41 years. The dividends here are paid on a quarterly basis in the months of January, April, July, and October. There you have it, folks. A quick look into 10 high quality companies that are paying their dividend and have a safe dividend payer. And on top of that, they are considered to be undervalued or reasonably valued. And all of them had a dividend yield of 4% or more. We hope you found this video beneficial and you gained something of value from it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and support us by subscribing to our channel. Here on Momentum Finance, we post every week several videos about investing, including investing in the stock market, cryptocurrencies, as well as real estate. We also talk about ways to reach financial freedom. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.